Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. We're looking at a VIX cash pushing up towards the 16 handle currently, right around 1590. It was into the 16 handle briefly. However, it started off the session in the 14 handle. I think a lot of market participants thought that this might possibly be the day where we see the VIX cash close below 15, which would be a new post-pandemic low. However, some selling pressure here in the SPX here midday. Reaction to Fed Chairman Powell's comments prior to the quiet period has pushed the VIX cash up, at least for the time being, into the 15 handle and briefly into the 16 handle. And with that, we're seeing the VIX futures shifting as well. The roll market has narrowed now by about 20 cents currently, as that front month future is up more so than the second month future. The entire futures curve is shifting higher here midday, as we're seeing, again, a reaction to some selling pressure in the SPX. The thing I want to point out, though, is even at this level, with the VIX cash, let's say around 16, there's still about $3.50 of premium between the VIX cash and the front month future, and then more so as you move out on the curve. So pretty substantial premium to cash levels here when you look at the futures curve relative to the VIX cash. VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, 110 currently. Now that is popping today. We did see it at 103 to start the session. We did see it hit 100 yesterday, which is the low end of the range for the last several months. But now we're seeing some buying pressure in the VIX options as this market's reacting to some of the dynamics. And the activity today, it continues to be really in the puts. Once again, when you look at the November 15 put line, that's the most active line the last several days. Once again, very active today with about 10,000 contracts trading and some out-of-the-money calls trading in December as well. We're looking at the 30-40 call spread going up about 10,000 times here today. Next week, several things influence the vol structure. We have earnings. That's going to continue to drive volatility expectations. Consumer data throughout the week. No Fed speak next week. It will be the quiet period, so we will not have to contend with that. And the end of the month.